everyone. We're here on the set of Community Connections. I'm your host, Sergeant Lazar, and we have our team with us today. Ladies, Kayla, Tiana,
and Tameka.
Whoop, whoop. Okay, so y'all already know what it is. We're going to break down the month of November for you because we're going to dive right into the month of December. So, November, we were moving and grooving, guys, with our Thanksgiving give back and oh gosh, so
our
many
Life Essentials pop up.
Pop up downtown. That was amazing. Mm-hmm. Oh, and Thanksgiving, of course, just eating in general, right?
right.
With our families. So, regret to inform you guys that I did not get to taste that 6 cheese mac and cheese, but there's still, next year. So we'll keep hope alive for that, Miss Paige.
Okay, we'll see what Christmas brings.
Okay, we'll keep hope alive. So, I don't know if you guys were able to participate in our Thanksgiving give back this year, but it was amazing and always bigger than the last time. So we were at the Berglund Center this year, and we were still able to service 350 families, which was a huge blessing to our community. And so we're excited and just happy that we were able to participate in that. And again, grateful for all of the donations and the outpour of love from our community. So we pray that you guys continue to donate and continue to support all of our efforts moving forward.
Absolutely.
All right, now moving into the month of December. So we're still moving and grooving with the holiday spirit, okay? And part of what we'll be participating in is Dickens of a Christmas, right? So we know that they launch a lot of things starting the very first weekend of December. And speaking of, so December 6th, will be the tree lighting. So if you've never participated or gone to see what that looks like, you should definitely take some time, take your family out. It'll be a very great event. I personally have never been to the tree lighting. Have y'all been to the tree lighting?
Yes.
Yeah?
No.
Okay, so maybe it'll be a first for a few of us.
Yeah, with some hot chocolate. They normally have someone serving hot chocolate that you can get. And they also bring, listen to me hyping it up. Yes. So in the past, what they've done is they have the carriages out there that you can ride after that. I think it's especially for little kids or anyone who loves the holidays and the whole spectacular of the lights and all of that. It's very interesting to see. My goal is to make it up to New York to see that one. But let me say that the Roanoke Christmas tree lighting is, you would really like it. You would enjoy it.
It sounds awesome. Mm-hmm. Well, I want to burst your bubble on that New York one. I'm going to check out this one here for Roanoke City. I've seen the tree in New York. And I just pray that this one is a little bit better than the one I've seen. But again, the Dickens of a Christmas tree lighting will be at 5:30, between 5:30 and 10 p.m. on December 6th. Well, admissions is free, but the carriage ride is $5, okay? So make sure that you bring your $5 so you can get your old-fashioned carriage ride through downtown, okay? And just enjoy, like Ms. Tameka was saying, some community fellowship and just the holiday spirit. So looking forward to that. You might even see me down there one of these days. We'll see. All right, but okay, it's the end of the year. So that means we have one more triad that's happening. Ain't that right?
That is correct.
So tell us, Kayla, what's going on with the triad this year?
We're going to do something a little different for this month. We came together and are going to do a movie for our friends and have them bring in some sweet treats and hot chocolate. So we're super excited to fellowship with them and just celebrate what we've done this year. So we're super excited. That's going to be on December 10th at the Vision Center between 1 and 2.
So if you like sweet treats, I know I do. Come on out and see us. And we're watching literally my favorite holiday movie. So you should come and watch it with me.
And what is that? What's that?
Well, see, Miss Paige, I'd like to keep it a surprise.
You can't, because I already have people asking. They started asking about it.
Okay. Miracle on 34th Street. That is literally my favorite Christmas movie. So come on out. And the newer one to the more modern one, I'm sorry, but I've seen the black and white one. And I'm going to just tell you this. It ain't my favorite. So we're not watching that one. Go watch the one in color. There's a little bit more update. No offense to the folks.
She just doesn't appreciate the vintage things.
Not quite. Not quite. All right. And then keeping in the spirit of things, we know that the Dickens of a Christmas has multiple events happening, but on the 13th, we're actually going to be participating as a department. So what are we doing, Tiana?
So we are going to be featuring in the City of Roanoke Christmas Parade, and that's going to be on December 13th. The parade starts at 6:30. But just an FYI, I would just get there a tad bit early so that you can get a spot to see what's going on during the parade. It's going to be located at Elm Avenue, which is on Jefferson Street, all the way down towards the Market Square, which is on Campbell Avenue. So I'm so excited to be participating in this parade and just maybe seeing Santa Claus.
So let me ask this question. Are we sister elves again this year, or do I need to get me a new, I just want to make sure, because I was a fly elf last year.
Come on, somebody.
Let me tell somebody.
She was flying. Okay.
I will not be.
So I just want to make sure.
I wear my little reindeer ears every year.
That's about it. This is what our third. This will be our third year being sister elves. Yay! Okay, so check us out. We'll be out there in our elf costumes, spreading cheer, and we love it. So we gotta get the most use out of these costumes.
That's right. That's right.
Because when else are you gonna wear an elf costume? When else are we gonna wear those? So I'm super excited. And I know our department is preparing some sweet treats, so we'll have some hot cocoa there. We always have one of our cookies, but we also have one of our department members that makes some special tea.
The Russian tea.
The Russian tea. I ain't so delicious. I've never heard of Russian tea until I went to this parade and we were making Russian tea. So I was like, okay, guys. So yes, we got options. Okay, so come on out, have a good time. Like Tiana said, come early so you can get a good spot, and then also so you can mix and mingle, because there's always a lot of beautiful floats. People take their time and decorate, and then people are also giving away treats. So we'll have hot cocoa, Russian tea, and cookies. Okay. And then elves and reindeers. So come hang out with us, guys. You'll be missing a grand time if you don't. Okay. And then, probably one of the biggest things we're going to be doing in the month of December. Miss Paige is going to tell us all about that. So what are we doing, ma'am, on the 14th?
Okay. So here we go. I want to explain the holiday spectacular. And I'm going to give just a little bit of background so that people really understand the importance of us doing this. This is the 5th year. However, the first year for us as an agency. This holiday spectacular started between Genesee's County Sheriff's Office and Us United. And so what they decided to do this year is to expand it to some other offices that are doing great things in the community. And so we're one of 13 that are actually participating in this holiday spectacular. Nice. So what we did in November was we launched the nominations. We allowed 100 nominations. And so, you can nominate yourself, a family member, neighbor, whomever. And just put down some special things or something that you knew that they were really in need of. Okay. Mm-hmm. And so we did that. So then in December, what happens is one of our large sponsors, which is the Kroger Foundation, they are going to provide a large number of donations of different items. Okay. So it could be household items. Okay. It could also be other things. I was not aware that they have a marketplace. I didn't know that. Wow. And so when we were talking, I was like, oh, so you can get coats and shoes and that type of thing. Okay. I had no clue. So what they're going to do is they're going to send us a huge shipment of items. And in addition to that, and from donations that we've received from the community, and those donations are coming in, and we are so appreciative. What we're going to do on the 13th is we're going to sit in a room and make up 100 boxes. And then on the morning of the 14th, guess what? We'll be in your neighborhood. So we are loading up trucks, U-Hauls, and we're going to come through all different parts of the city. And we are going to, in some cases, surprise some families because they don't know that they've been nominated.
Okay, that's exciting.
And so, we're going to knock on their doors and bring some holiday cheer. So we are very excited about that.
That's exciting. They're going to be so surprised.
Yeah. That's awesome. I'm excited about that because, one, I like surprises. Two, I really didn't know that they had a marketplace. So that's really cool that you could order other things that aren't in store, but coats and stuff like that. That's awesome.
Right. We were on the call and I
idea.
said, "Oh, you're like another chain I won't name." And they were like, "Yes, we are." I said, "Oh, okay. Well, that's good to know."
It's sure enough. The more you know. Love that. Oh gosh, there was something on my mind. Oh, what was I gonna say?
That's old age creeping up on you.
Oh Jesus. Well, you know, they said you're lucky if you get old. So
Right.
I'm all right with it. I'm all right with it. That's all right. I know we did something similar last year with our department.
We did. So we did our own kind of festive give back, and that was the bikes for the kids. And then we did gifts for seniors. And so, we do have some people, of course, that have reached out and said, "Hey, are you doing the same thing?" So this just allows us to expand on that. As you all know, as a team, we had to have a limited pool of kids that we could service as well as seniors and kind of keep it streamlined, what we could do. And so again, through the partnership with the Kroger Foundation and the great partnership with the community, as I say, they are calling and asking, "Can we give money? Can we go shopping and bring you the item?" Let me tell you something. We don't care how you bring it down there. Go ahead and bring it down. If you want to go shopping and drop it off, we have no problem with that.
Absolutely.
So we have been very, very fortunate that the community stays behind our agency and the great initiatives that we do out in the community.
Thanks, guys. We love you. We do. Okay. So, I know I was going to say 13th is going to be a busy day for us because we're going to be packing all day long, and then we're going to be costuming and walking around. So when y'all see us, give us a hug.
Yes.
We're going to be exhausted on the 13th. Just want you to know that. But what's a smile for you? So, yes. And then to round out the month of December, we have one more initiative that we've been working on this year when we get to go to Starbucks.
Yes, so we're going to be super busy for December, definitely. But we have partnered with Starbucks this year once again for the holidays to come out and serve the people and hang out with their employees and just love on them. So we're going to dress up all Christmassy once again and finish out the year serving them as well. That is going to be on December 17th. We are going to be hanging out there from 11 to 1. So come out and see us. It should be at the location on Hirschberger.
Okay, nice. Now, we'll say this, guys. I've never really been a Starbucks girly, okay? But now that I understand that they do other things besides make coffee, they might have me bought in. All right, so I get some tea. Tiana has rung me up before, so she does well on that cash register. I've seen Kayla back there mixing up my drinks and stuff. So listen, I like to be on the outside cleaning off the tables and sweeping and stuff. So I've not quite learned how to make my own Starbucks drink yet. But it's okay because we got some lovely ladies that do know how to do that for us now. So super excited. It's been a great initiative. So we're glad that we've been able to.
Part-time baristas.
Right. I love it. So we're glad that we've been able to go out and support our community in that way. But y'all, that really pretty much wraps up our month of December. And I don't know about y'all, but once the month of December has ended, I'm ready to relax. Okay? I'm be ready to relax before we get it back into gear all over again for the month of January. But so Christmas, guys, or holiday seasons, whatever it is you might be celebrating, do you have any favorite foods again, like we talked about for Thanksgiving? I'm just saying.
I'm just ready for that 6 cheese mac and cheese.
Oh my goodness. This is a setup, guys. I'm telling you, if you're watching this is a setup.
Comment below. 6 cheese mac and cheese.
I don't know if y'all remember, but last year I made peanut butter fudge for everyone at the department. So I'm super excited to do that again because I've been missing it. So, I'm like,
that is awesome. So, yep, again, for me, it's all about family time. So I cannot wait, guys. I'm going to miss y'all, but I got to go be with my family. All right.
Agreed.
I'm excited for that.
Yeah. I think that's what the holidays I would say yes, the eating and those type of things. But for me, it is just being able to spend the time with your family. I'm more into the festivity, the decoration, and seeing people's, kind of excitement when they come over, like, oh, that's nice. That's nice. Oh, you did this. Oh, you did that. Because I think, it makes people feel good to know that you kind of went the extra mile for them to be comfortable and really enjoy themselves and lay back. So yes, although I enjoy everything that we do, I am definitely looking forward to us having just a little bit of downtime because we're coming for you in 2025.
Well, you heard it here first. You heard it here first. All right. Well, with that, guys, happy holidays, and we hope that you guys have a safe and happy end of the year, and we'll see you next year.
See you 2025.
Bye.